हलदोणेचे आमदार ग्लॅन टिकलो हांचे भाव विल्बर टिकलो हांच्यांनी ब्रेस्तारा तृणमूल काँग्रेसीत प्रवेश घेतलो. पक्ष सांगता थंय गोंयभर हांव पक्षाचो प्रचार करतलो म्हण विल्बर टिकलो उलयला. आरडेक्स खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
I welcome Wilbur. I had heard about him so much. His passion, his mission to work for the people. And he has been doing a wonderful job. I am happy that he has chosen to join this movement which started in Goa just 45 days back, 1.5 months back. And it is taken off vertically and it will go further vertically. He has joined because he has also got that passion, that mission and that objective which TMC has got for Goa, for Goans.
But I am here because I see hope in TMC, Mamta Didi and my brother Leander. And I want Leander to take Goa forward at international levels, And I'm sure with him being around, with his guidance and all the people coming forward, Goa will shine and we'll have a new Goa. This is the beginning. And Goa has to be, as we all know, Goa is unique and it has to remain unique. And the culture that Goa has, the traditions and everything possible, that we have to maintain it at all costs. So I wish Mamta Didi, who has set foot here, Leander, brother who is also being in Goa, to project us into a international, we are internationally known, there's no doubt about it. But now we are going to put systems in place, and I'm sure with Mamta's experience and Leander playing on the international field, things will happen. And we together, all of us together, it's a call to many other Goans who want a bright future for their children today and future generations. They should come forward because we have seen a lot of mess happening in all other political parties. There's nothing straightforward coming. It is all said and forgotten. So with TMC in Goa setting a foot, I'm sure things will happen. Politics. I'm a businessman.
I'm not talking in terms of brother, because you said
I don't step into his shoes. He doesn't step into my shoes. Okay, so I know what I'm doing, and he knows what he's doing.
Principle of coexistence.
People of Aldona know what he has done, and if they find him to be done well for himself, I'm sure they will.
Will you campaign against him?
Will you campaign against him?
I will campaign for the party.
No, party where? In which constituency?
All over Goa.
Also in Aldona?
All over Goa.
Sir, if TMC gives you a ticket to contest in Aldona, will you go to contest?
First, I must want a ticket, right?
You don't want
if
a
I
ticket.
accept the ticket,
You don't
then
want a
I will.
ticket?
If I don't want a ticket, why should
So
I?
you don't want a ticket?
I'm not saying if they give me a ticket and they see I'm the best among the rest. I'm ticket.
No, campaigning, madam.
Of course, I will campaign.
No, they want to know if offered a
They know
ticket.
you.
From which
If and buts,
constituency?
If he doesn't come, if he doesn't ask for
From
it,
which constituency would you prefer?
that he will decide.
If it's good, we'll give
See,
him. If it's
my base is Pororim, my base is Saligaon. I have a choice.